Introducing the XBratAI trading app, launching in January 2026 for crypto, Forex and futures. This short video is a quick review on how crypto traders can benefit from our AI-driven, Xbrat-proven trading app. The only way for you to get a 30-day free trial on launch is by scanning this QR code and completing a simple form, so that we can get in touch with you when we launch and give you that promised 30-day free trial. So go ahead, scan that QR code now, and let's move on. Okay, so we will be available for Android and iOS, and this is examples of how it looks on those particular phones. So on the left, we can see on the Android version, we can see the main panel, the main signals panel, where we have active trades. 2 active trades at this point with XRP USD and Solano USD. We have drop-down menus on there for performance. ML stands for max leverage if you're trading perpetual futures. So on the right, we have examples on the iOS version of the push notifications. In this situation, this is a stop price change. So this is locking in profit as it's moving, and we can see those there on the right. So to visualize the move, I've included a chart, a trading chart on here. But you won't need a trading chart when using the app. You're simply going to be following those signals. So this is why the app is both achievable for those brand new basic novice crypto traders or those sophisticated traders using perpetual crypto futures. So on the left here for the push notification, we can see the Solano trade is closed. So for those basic traders, you would go into that position where you bought at, say, $1,000 worth of Solano, and you would just sell them, and that's it. If you are a crypto perpetual trader, more sophisticated trader, then you would close that position, because the trailing stop you're adjusting every time we told you to do that, which is this little red line. This is how we visualize it for you on this video. So this is a 3.45% move. Went in on Sunday the 28th of September 2025. Again, this is launching in January, but we've been working on this for a year now. And then it came out Monday the 29th of September. So just to give you an idea, this basic crypto purchase, say purchasing $1,000 worth of Solana, would yield around $34 profit on the trade. Doesn't sound a lot, but we have 10 cryptocurrencies on the app, averaging 20 longs per month. That's around about $500, a 50% return on that $1,000 in your trading account, if that's the amount. Now, that's pretty good for those basic people that don't understand and want to get into crypto trading, and this is that first sort of leap, if you like, where you don't have to learn too much. Now, for those that are more sophisticated and they trade perpetual crypto futures, using that max leverage of 48 that we suggest on the push notification and on the active panel there, you would yield over $1,000 profit for this particular trade. Don't worry for those basic traders. We're going to have a very comprehensive training program, free of charge, that will take you from that basic to being able to trade those crypto futures if you wish. There is no reason why you have to do that. So let's go on to another example. On the same day, we had an XRP trade. And again, this is just a chart to visualize the move. So you can visualize the move up in this particular cryptocurrency. So again, we can see that XRP had a trade closed push notification. So that is the time to close that position. This was a 2.1% move. Pretty good. Went in on Sunday the 28th, came out on Monday the 29th, a little earlier than the Solano trade. So this, again, basic crypto purchase, purchasing $1,000 worth of XRP would yield you around $21 profit. Again, add that to the Solano on the same day. That's about $50. But again, remember what we're doing is that we are following those alerts, if you like, and we are getting on average 20 long trades across those cryptocurrencies a month. So it's a good return. Again, for the more advanced perpetual crypto futures trading, max leverage this time of 81. Now, even though we say that's the max leverage, if your risk appetite only has a max leverage of 10, then that's your decision to do. What we do is our algorithm runs calculations on where the risk is, where the stop and the entry is, and gives you a max leverage so you don't liquidate if it goes against you. And that would yield a profit over $1,700. So that is $2,700-ish for 2 trades on a Sunday going into Monday for crypto. So a very, very good return. And so that's just a sort of brief outline of how crypto traders can really benefit from this technology, if you like. So get ready for that launch in early 2026. Register your details now and secure a 30-day free trial on launch by scanning this QR code below and completing the simple form. This is a fantastic opportunity. This particular confluence strategy that we've built in with AI, algorithm and technology comes from my book, Confluence Not Coincidence, which was published in December 2023, and it is a testament to that strategy that I've used for over 20 years as a trader.